What's going on, guys? It's Lindsay here, and in this video I'm going to share with you very quickly how you can fulfill orders if you are drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace. Now again, this is going to be a quick tutorial, but I definitely want to share this with you because if you have followed my training on how to get started with Facebook Marketplace drop shipping and you have now gotten your first sale, the next thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and fulfill that order, so that way you can go ahead and get that tracking information so you can go ahead and send it to Facebook so you can move the process along for you to get paid out. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me share with you really quickly what you need to do to fulfill an order. So the first thing you need to do, again, you need to come into Facebook and you need to come into Marketplace. Now once you have done that, you need to go to your account and then you want to click on shipping orders. So now we're looking at the orders, and if you see this one right here, you see this is the actual product that I talked about in the training on how to get started with Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So this is the same item that I found on Walmart, and what I'm going to share with you is basically how you can fulfill this order. Now I just fulfilled this order this morning, but I just want to share with you really briefly how you can do this. So when you look at your shipping orders, what you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and click on the actual order, and then it's going to give you the details of the order. And what you need to do is you need to go back to Walmart. You want to find the actual item that you're trying to ship out. And this goes for wherever you source the item. If you source the item from eBay, if you source the item from Wayfair or something like that, go back to that website, find that product, and this is what you need to do. You need to go ahead and ship out that order to that customer. So this is the actual bookcase right here. So if I go ahead and click on it, I need to go ahead and add this to cart. Now, if you're sourcing items from Walmart, anything that's over $35, you get free shipping. Anything below $35, you do have to pay shipping, and then also depending on the state, you'll have to pay a tax. So make sure you take that all into account, especially when you are pricing your items to list onto Marketplace. So you need to come over here to add to cart, and here this is where you're going to enter the customer's information. So while you're on Walmart.com or whatever you're sourcing your product from, make sure you also have your Facebook account up, so that way you can go ahead and copy and paste the customer's information into the actual delivery address when they prompt you to enter that information on where they need to send the item to. Now once you have done that, you want to go ahead and you want to click on continue, and then you want to go ahead and just confirm all the details. Make sure you are paying with your debit card, your credit card, whatever your form of payment is. You want to go ahead and purchase the item, and then you want to click on place order. Now with Walmart, it takes about a day or two before they send you your tracking information. Other websites, they may be a little bit different. Some of them may get it to you quicker. Some may have to wait a day or two or three in order to get you your tracking number, and that's fine. On Facebook, you have up to 5 days to add the tracking information into Facebook, and you must do this, okay? You must enter the tracking information inside of Facebook because this is how you're going to get paid. Now, once you get that tracking information, immediately put that into Facebook. And the reason why you want to do this is because once you have done this, this is how Facebook is going to track to see if the actual package is being sent out, is it being in transit, and it's been delivered. This is what Facebook uses in order to initiate your payout. So it's very important that you enter that tracking information as soon as possible in order to, again, get that information out to Facebook, and it helps you to get paid out a lot sooner. So when you come back to your shipping orders on Facebook, there's going to be a button that says marked as shipped. That's when you're going to go ahead and put your tracking information in there. As of right now, Facebook is only accepting tracking numbers from USPS, FedEx, and UPS. Enter that information in, enter the tracking number, and you want to click save. And that's how you're going to go ahead and put your order in the process of being shipped out and you getting paid out by Facebook. So in this video, I share with you really quickly how you can just fulfill your orders if you're drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace. Now I do have additional videos on this channel showing you how to get started with Facebook Marketplace drop shipping, as well as how to actually find products and do product research in order to find items to list onto Facebook. You're going to find those. I'm going to include those videos in the description box below. And if you have any questions about anything that I cover, make sure you leave a comment below. Also join my Facebook group, and I will see you guys in the next video.